na. Good job. Say push. 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 Okay, let's say more. Can you say more? More. Okay. Good job, baby. Good job. Good job. What do we... Take it out. Take it out. Take it out. Good job. Good taking out. Can you count your shapes? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shapes. What shape is that? Here. Is that there? No. Say no. Doesn't fit. No. Is that there? Yes. Say yeah. Yeah. Yes. Can you nod? What shape is this? No, doesn't fit. No, no, no. Yes. Oh, what shape is this? What shape is this? Triangle. Triangle. Doesn't fit. No. Is it here? Yes. Can you nod yes? Yes. Yes. Can you shake your head no? No. Good job. Yes. Good job. Yes. Good job. A square. What? Is that a square? Yes. Nod yes. Yes. Good job. Nodding yes. Yay. Good job. Ball. Where's the ball? I see ball. Where is the ball? Put it on. Put it on. Put it on. Put hat on. Can we sing a happy birthday? Happy birthday to you. Can you pretend blow a candle? Can you blow? Good job blowing. Up. Shapes. Can you show Mama the circle? Can you show Mama the square? Can you show Mama the triangle?
Triangle.
Oh, orange triangle. Oh, orange. Say, where's a blue? Can you point Mama the blue triangle? Blue. Blue.
Triangle.
Yeah, triangle. Where's the blue triangle? Good job. Say, ba, 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 ba. Blue triangle. Good. Triangle. Blue. You want blue? Can you say? Take it off? Take it off. Take it off. Off. Okay, take it off, Mama, please. Can you say please? Please. Say thank you. Thank you. Thank you. You want?
Orange triangle.
Say more. More. Please. More. Please. Thank you. Thank you, Mama. Good job. What do you want here, please? A triangle. Orange. Orange triangle. Say, thank you, Mommy. Do you want more? What about circle? Do you like yellow circle? Say circle. Say circle. Uh-oh. Can you say, take it off, take it off, take it off. Off. Take it off. Good job. And you want more, and you have more shapes. Good job. Oh, let's put that in our fingers. I want to put in my fingers too. Put it on, put it on, put it on. Good job putting it on. There you go. One more. Say here. Mama finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Dada finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Okay, can you count your shapes? Okay, one more here. Because it's small shapes, small fingers. Can you count your shapes? 1, 2. Okay, come on, count shapes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job counting. Blue. Okay, say more please. More please. Go. Green. Good job, baby. Tap. You say tap. Tap. Can you say t? Put away. Tap. Oh, here is the baby. And we are going to feed the baby. Baby. Can we feed the baby? And we have a milk. You say milk. Feeding baby. Feeding baby. Bye, baby. All done? Shh. Baby's sleeping. Shh. Can we sing Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star for the baby? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Good job. Love, baby. Love. Okay, can you show Mama the apple, please? Oh, yeah, apple. Bye-bye, apple. Can you say put it in. Where's the apple? Where? Apple. Where is the apple? Oh, it's inside. Open. Feed baby carrots. Nom. Feed baby carrot. Can you say eat? Turn. Put it here. We open. Can you say open? Good job. Okay. Close door. Is A for apple. 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 Okay. Bye-bye, apple. Bye-bye. Where is the apple? Say, open door. Open. job.
Apple.
Bye-bye, apple. Bye-bye. Where is your nose? Where could it be? Peekaboo. Can you point Mama's nose? Where is Mama's nose? Beep. Where is Mama's eyes? Eyes. Peekaboo. What's that? Mouth. Where is Mama's mouth? Good job. What, peekaboo? What is that? Ears. Can you point Mama's ears? Where's Mama's ears? Good job. Umbrella. You. Umbrella. Umbrella. Can you tell me what color is this? That's correct. It's green. Green. Achoo! Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me.
1, 2, 3, 4,
5. Good job. Good job counting. 5. Can you high five, Mama? High five. Good job. The wheels of the bus goes round and round, round and round, all through the town. Do you want fast? The wheels of the bus go round and round, round and we are tired. Can we slow? Can we sing slow? The wheels of the bus go round and round, all through the town.
And then fast.
Do you want fast? Fast. The wheels of the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round, and we are tired. And I'm hungry. Where? We heard babies crying. Can you count your babies? Can you count babies? 1, 2, 3. 3 babies. Find more. Where? They are all crying. Babies are not happy. They are hungry. They are hungry. They want milk. Oh, this is pacifier. Pacifier. Baby needs a pacifier. And baby wants milk. Say milk.
Mommy help.
Oh, Mommy help.
Mommy help.
Baby. Yum, 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 yum. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Can you feed baby too? Yum, yum. Feeding baby a milk. Feeding baby a milk. Can you point baby's nose? Can you point baby's toesies? Where's the baby's toesies? Good job. Mama, thank you. Can you say, thank you, Mama. Thank you, Mama. Oh, glasses. Oh, come on. Can you say eyeglasses? Can you say put it on, put it on, put it on. So pretty, baby. So pretty. Pretty. Pretty baby. Mama wearing glasses. A baby? Can you count the baby again? Oh, that is too big for the baby. See, it's too big. Doesn't fit. Doesn't fit. Other one. Oh, other one baby. Oh, doesn't fit the baby. It's too small. That is for Bunso only. For Ami. Can you say put it on, put it on, put it On. Good job, babies. Good job. Say hi, babies. They are all happy. They are happy. Can you? Oh, a bottle. Feeding baby a milk. Is this baby hungry again? Oh, I think the baby is all done. All done. All done eating. Is it yummy? Yummy? Yummy. Yummy. Good job. All done, baby. All done. All done, babies. Shh. Baby sleeping. We need to whisper. Shh. 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 Baby's sleeping. They are sleeping. Shh. 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 They are up. And they want to play again. Say play. 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 Baby. Baby. Say baby. Can you count the baby? Let's count the baby again. 1, 2, 3. 3 babies. Can you say sit? Sit. Sit, baby. Sit. Sit down. Sit down, please. Thank you. What about baby? Can you say? Can you smell? Good job. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, babies. Bye-bye. Ba, 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 ba. Bye-bye.